Brando, what are you doing here?
Dr. Pelly, I'm here without my father's knowledge. Yes, I understand that you two have become distant, but I visit under grave circumstances.
I do not understand. You have to be more specific.
Well, we thought we fixed up people in the pad, but Ted's been chatting up our crew. Father's worried about stool pigeons, Dante.
Stool pigeons.
Informants.
Children, I think this is probably left best to the adults.
No. This is news the whole family should hear. That includes you, Maria.
Oh,
Your shoe.
Anyway, members of the Brando family have been found in compromising situations with the police.
Rats.
Now the pigs, they've been looking for information.
we caught 2 police people with the children this morning. Yeah. We're practically twins.
Well, this means that they've targeted at least 2 of the 5 families. Boss, it must be a coordinated attack.
Oh, no. First, the police attacked my family. Then, they attacked the family of my... This guy's dead. And now my papers are all over the floor.
And whose fault is that?
Naughty boy.
Okay. It is clear. We must call a meeting of the 5 families. I just need the support of one other Don. Don, like your father, or, somebody else, anybody.
What about Don Castrati?
Yeah, no, he lives too far away.
What about Donna Weasley? She lives only 15 minutes away, by broom.
She must use her power to veto my suggestion. She hates meetings.
Look, Dad, if you're not going to call Brando, you're probably going to have to contact the princess.
No. We should have to think of something else. Whatever shall I do?
Yes, if only we had an emissary out of the United States.
Whatever shall I do?
Pick him! You're the princess.
Come on, get on the ramp.
Don't ever talk to me, ever. Be quiet, Hey, but anyway, just visit up with my family. Come on, just do it. You know that, right?
Fine, I'll do it. But I have to go finish reading the dictionary first. I'm halfway through C already.
So boring.
You two go deal with him. Now, children, it is time for your lesson on marine life and body disposal. Yay!
Look in.
Coming from Danny.
Hey.
See you back in New York. You look well.
I already know that. Thanks. I learned a lot studying under Don Trump. He taught me all about the black market, a.k.a. the American economy.
Yeah, you've learned a lot.
Got some stool pigeons on the pad chatting up our tails.
If you knew anything about being in the mafia, you know that doesn't make any sense. I'm out of here before my father notices I'm missing.
Brandon! Let's just go over the facts, right? So you kiss a girl at the Snow Ice Parade, and then you take her to the Shopper World Championships, which she has always wanted to attend. And then you tell her,
I don't want to put labels in our relationship.
Stop doing that. I haven't signed anything.
and she's all, that's cool, I'm a laid back kind of girl, because she knows you get into girls laying back. Then you go away for a week and you don't call, and it just really upsets her.
You know that I care for you. It's just I'm not ready to put any labels on it. Is that all right with you? Don't say anything if you agree. I'm so glad we're on the same page. Why tie things down with words? Let's just slow things down and be us. You know what I've always wanted to do? Just get in the car and drive. I was telling Ryan the other day that,
Don't you think it's time? Did you stop being so frightened and pathetic and grew up to be a reasonable human being who understands that it is insulting to deny me the human right to publicly announce that you are my boyfriend on Facebook?
I'm only a boy as your friend. I'll be your boyfriend. But hey. We can be good together. And I really like you, Neil Wood.
What do you look?
Never mind.
Thanks for interrupting, Maria. Now I'll never know the true meaning of a Christmas.
Dad, have you been standing there long enough to know that we are now in a relationship? That's terrible.
Oh, my dear! Well, dear! I saw this coming ever since you two were little, playing naked in our pavilion.
Dad!
Well, you've left me with no choice but to go and visit your father. One small thing. If you ever do anything to hurt my daughter, that would be very difficult for me socially. So,
Carbonara, a word. That was a very impressive display of cunning back there. Building alliances with other mob families is an important aspect of mob life.
I've learned much under your guidance, Maria.
Well, it is difficult to be a woman in this business, but never underestimate your abilities and always demand a separate bathroom.
I'll do that. Thanks for all your advice, Maria. I really like having you around.
Gay! Disgusting, she's my charge. You'd better catch up with them before they leave.